An Indonesian scholar had said that the Belt and Road Initiative has played a crucial role in enhancing connectivity and promoting infrastructure development in Southeast Asia. This year marks the 10th anniversary of the BRI.
Belt and Road Initiative is actually to promote activity. There are lots of infrastructure that has been built under the Belt and Road Initiative. This infrastructure, for example, built in Pakistan, also some other ASEAN countries, especially Laos and Thailand, have improved connectivity. For ASEAN countries, I can see, for example, the development of high-speed rail, it can support tourism. If we look at the context of tourism in ASEAN, for example, there's an increased tourists travels or activities. Malaysia, cities in Indonesia like Medan and also Bandung, because of new flight and concept Belt and Road initiatives, is to help other countries in the region to cut cost of travel, especially not only passengers but also freight or goods. So it means that it should cut the logistic costs and promote activities in terms of exporting. So with a better connectivity, of course, it will stimulate economic activities, meaning that it will lead to better, higher economic